Hello to everyone. This tutorial will walk you through the basics of getting started with SciNote, open source electronic lab notebook, and in my opinion, the easiest way to manage your scientific data. It will show you how to create projects, how to restore them from the archive, and how to view your activity. When you log into your account, the first thing you see is the dashboard where you can view current projects that you are working on. These are my projects, and you can reorder them by clicking on the sort button in the top left side of the dashboard. Each project card has a name, a start date, and a function bar where you can check the activity of the project, manage users, see the notifications, and write comments. To create a project, click on the New Project button. Write the name, I am only in one team, but if I were joined in others, I will have to select the team to which the project will belong. Next, we have to decide if we want to make the project visible to everyone or just to members of this particular project. If the project's visibility is set to public, everyone from the team can see it, but only people who are invited can edit it. If the project's visibility is set to private, only the invited users can see the project. So we click on Create Project. We can check the visibility of the project here in this eye. If the eye is cross, the project is private. But if it is open, if it is like this, the project is public. When a project is completed, you can finish it. To do this, click to the arrow on the project card and select Archive. So accept, and it has been archived. But there is also the possibility to restore the finished project. To do this, entry to the archive and select the arrow and restore, and it will appear in the dashboard here. And finally, to see the recent activity of the group, click on the following icon. So thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.